Now I'm talking about Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ali was a Bangladeshi politician and lawyer. Ali was born on 1st March in 1932 in Nabinagar, Brahmanbaria. He took part in the language movement. He completed graduation in law from the University of Dhaka and died on 11th January in 2020. He was elected as a member of the East Pakistan Provincial Assembly from Comilla 5. Later, he was appointed as a member of the Constituent Assembly of Bangladesh. He took part in the language movement. He was an organizer of the Liberation War of Bangladesh too. He took part in every movement against the government of Pakistan from 1952 to 1971. He was the first administrator of Comilla after the liberation of Bangladesh. Ali was an organizer of the Liberation War of Bangladesh. He hosted the flag of Bangladesh at Comilla Town Hall on 8 December 1971 after Comilla was cleansed from the Pakistan Army. Ali was the vice chairman of the Supreme Court Bar Council. He also wrote some books. Ali died of prostate cancer in Apollo Hospital, Dhaka on 11 January 2020 at the age of 87.